Welcome to our channel Israel Educations. Please subscribe my channel and get electrical related video. Today we will discuss competitive level MCQ question answer. So first question is transformer core are laminated in order to minimize eddy current loss, reduces loss, simplify construction and reduce hysteresis loss. So what is the hysteresis loss? The hysteresis loss is due to the magnetic core and the eddy current loss is a ohmic loss or ohmic conductor loss. We should reduce the hysteresis loss by use the magnetic core or proper magnetic core, and we should reduce the eddy current loss by using the laminated of a transformer. So আমরা eddy current lossটা কি করি, আমরা ট্রান্সফরমারকে ল্যামিনেটেড যদি আমরা করে দেই তাহলে কি হয়, eddy current lossটা কি হয়, মিনিমাইজ হয়ে যায়. So here answer is minimize the eddy current loss, we should laminated the transformer. So next question is a step up transformer increase voltage, current, power, frequency. So what is the step up transformer? A step up transformer is a transformer where the secondary voltage is high compared to the primary side voltage. So the step up transformer increase mainly the voltage. So here the four option: voltage, current, power and frequency. So step up transformer increase obviously the voltage. So option A, voltage, is the answer. So we should discuss the next questions. So next question is a transformer transform voltage, current, frequency, voltage and current. So what transformer transform? Mainly the power. So we know that power P equal to V into I. So mainly transformer transform voltage and the current. So here the option is that voltage, current and frequency and voltage and current. So here option is the voltage and current because transformer mainly convert the power. So here option is D. So next, a transformer has negative voltage regulations when its load power factor is 0, unity and leading and lagging. So here negative voltage regulations or negative regulation. What is the regulation? Regulation means no load minus full load by full load. Here the regulation is negative. That means the power factor is the leading or the leading power factor. Here option is C, leading. So here answer is C, the leading power factor or leading. So next question, the main purpose of open circuit test of a transformer is measured to copper loss, core loss, total loss and insulation resistance. Here the transformer has two types loss, and one is the copper loss and another is the core loss. The copper loss is variable loss but core loss is a constant loss. Mainly we done the open circuit test for the purpose of the core loss. So here option B is the answer, is the core loss. So next, the no load test on a transformer is carried out to determine magnetic current, copper current, magnetic current and no load current and efficiency of a transformer. Mainly we take the no load test due to the measure of the magnetizing component or magnetizing current and no load loss. So here option is C, the magnetizing current and no load component. We determine the no load test. Transformer rated kVA instead of kilowatt because we should know that transformer rating is different to the loss. So we know that the transformer has two loss, one is the core loss, another is copper loss. The core loss related to the voltage and copper loss related to the current. So here option is load power factor is often not known and kVA is fixed where kilowatt depends on load and the power and the total transformer loss depend on volt and ampere, it becomes a customary. So we should know that the transformer rated but transformer rating is depend to the current and voltage. So here option is total transformer loss depend on volt and ampere is the answer. So next, which of the following is not a basic element of transformer? Transformer basic element primary and secondary and a core. So here option is core, primary winding and secondary winding. So here and four option is mutual flux. So we should know that the transformer is the basic component is primary winding, secondary winding and a core. So here option is not a basic component. এগুলোর মধ্যে কোনটা basic component নাই. So D is the options or answer is D, mutual flux. Mutual flux is not the basic element of a transformer. So next, the all day efficiency of transformer depend primarily on its copper loss, the amount of loss and the duration of load, and D both B and C. Here all day efficiency transformer mainly depends the amounts of load or amounts of load is connected to the transformer and the durations of the loads or the durations times of the load. So the all the efficiency of a transformer depend mainly the two parameter or two component, the amount of load or duration of the load. So here option is D, both B and C. So friends, please subscribe my channel and get electrical related video. So thanks for watching this video.